Hey everyone, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to change a thumbnail on your Vimeo video. So this is going to be particularly useful just in case you have the default thumbnail on your video, but you want to change it to a customized thumbnail. So be sure to follow this video step by step in order to learn how to do this. This is going to be short, sweet, and simple. So first we're going to go on to our Vimeo account, which looks like this right here. Now, next what you're going to do is click on the video which you want to change the thumbnail for. So as you can see on this video, we can both probably agree that it's actually kind of ugly, right? So let's go ahead and click on this video. Now, once you're on this page, this is kind of like the editing page for Vimeo. You're going to go ahead and scroll down to where it says thumbnail. Next, what you're going to do is click on this add thumbnail button. And then now you can actually go ahead and select a screen or still shot of the video to use as your thumbnail, or you can actually go ahead and upload a customized image. I usually recommend uploading a customized image, one that pops out, one that's contrasty, but it's up to you though. But this is the best and easiest way I found to actually go ahead and upload a thumbnail. If you know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.